Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my dear students. Hope you are safe and sound. Our today's topic is length. Length is the term used for identifying the size of an object or distance between two points. And we are going to learn about length today. The subtopic is time travel. Learner's book page number 54. And we will also do some notebook work. So take out your learner's book and notebook as well. Learning objective. Students will be able to measure the distance traveled in meters in a given amount of time to compare lengths using the standard units centimeters and meters. So these are the learning objective for today, and we have to learn about meters and centimeters. These are the units of length. Anticipation question. Length of one pencil is 2 centimeter. What is the length of 2 pencils, 3 pencils and 4 pencils? Length of one pencil is given, that is 2 meter, and we are going to find out the lengths of these pencils. So first we will check the 2 pencils. If one pencil is 2 centimeter long, so 2 pencils will be, we count in 2s, 2 and 2, 2 and 2, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, or we can read the 2 times table, 2 one time, 2 to 2 times 4. So answer is 4, and we will write here 4 centimeter here. Next, 3 pencils. Length of one pencil is 2 centimeters. So what is the length of 3 pencils? Again, we count in 2s because each pencil is of 2. 2, 2, 2. Or we can read the 2 times table. To 1 times 2, to 2 times 4, to 3 times 6. By reading the timetable, our work will be easy. So I'm writing 6 centimeter here. The length of 3 pencils is 6 centimeter. 4 pencils. Again, length of one pencil is 2 centimeter, and we have to find out the length of 4 pencils. So we can read the 2 times table, or we can count in 2s, 2, 2, 2, 2. We can write 2 4 times, but the easy way is to read the times table of 2, or we can read the 4 times tables as well. So I'm reading the 2 times table. To 1 times 2, to 2 times 4, to 3 times 6, to 4 times 8. Answer is 8 centimeter. Done. Length. So what is length? Length is the term used for identifying the size of an object or distance from one point to another. So this is the length. We can measure objects, the size of objects and distances from one point to another point. Units of length. The standard unit of length based on the metric system is a meter. According to length that need to be measured, we can convert a meter into various units like millimeters, centimeters and kilometers. So there are units of length. The standard unit is meter, and according to the length of the different objects, we can convert the meters into centimeters, millimeters and kilometers. These are the other units of length. Now I'm giving you some examples of length or meters or centimeters. When you go out for shopping and you buy some cloth, the cloth is always measured in meters and centimeters. You can see they used measuring tapes or measuring rods to measure the cloths. On measuring tape or measuring rod, the numbers are written in meters and centimeters, or the numbers on the tape or rod indicates meter and centimeters. We also measure the heights in meters and centimeters. Height of persons in meters, height of insects or any animal we can measure in meters and centimeters. And height of things also we can measure in meters and centimeters. Races. There are competition of races. So races are also measured in meters. And you have listened about 2 meter race, 100 meter race, 200 meter race, 400 relay race, and so on. And I'm giving you an example of kilometers, where we use the kilometers length. We can use kilometers when we have to measure the distances. So the distance traveled by a vehicle is also measured in kilometers. When you travel from school to home, school to library, or from home to another home, or from one city to another city, the distance can be measured in kilometers. The distance you traveled can be measured in kilometers. Now, as I told you, we can convert the meters into centimeters and meter into kilometers. So this is the conversion. 100 equal divisions of a meter give us centimeter. That is, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So to convert meters into centimeter, we have to multiply the meter with 100. For example, I have 4 meters and I want to convert it into centimeters. What I will do, I will just multiply the meters with 100. Here are 4 meters, I will multiply 100 with 4. And the answer is, for 0 time 0, for 0 time 0, for 1 time 4. So answer is 400. Same, if I want to convert the 9 meters into centimeters. Again, I have used the same formula. I can multiply meters with 100. So 90 times 0, 90 times 0, 91 times 9. The answer is 900. So 9, when we have to convert 9 meters into centimeters, we get 900 centimeters. Now, kilometers. 1000 equal divisions of kilometer give a meter. That is, 1 km is equal to 1000 meters. So again, if we will use the same formula. We have to multiply the kilometers to get the kilometers with 1000 to get the meters. If we want to convert kilometers into meters, we have to multiply kilometer with 1000. For example, I have to convert the 5 kilometer into meters. What I will do, I will just multiply kilometer that are 5 with 1000. So 50 times 0, 50 times 0, 50 times 0, and 51 times 5. The answer is 5000. I can give you one more example. If I have to convert 12 kilometer into meters, again I just multiply kilometers with 1000, 12 with 1000. 12 0 times 0, 12 0 times 0, 12 0 times 0, and 12 1 time 12. The answer is 12,000 meter. So this is the way we can do the conversion of meters into centimeters and kilometers. Can you see there are small m, cm and km is written? What does that mean? This means we can write the meters in short form. We can write m, small m for meters. We can write mm for millimeters. We can write cm for centimeters. And we write km for kilometer. They are the short forms of units of length. Now our day and date slide. On the extreme left top, Thursday. In the center, classwork. In the extreme right top, you will write 1st April, 2021. Today's day and date in a proper way on learner's book, page number 54. Time travel. Now look at that page. You can see a bus here. The bus travels from 9 o'clock until 12 o'clock. How long has it been traveling from when it stops? So we have to find out that the total travel of bus. It travels from 9 o'clock until 12 o'clock. And we have to find the total time the bus traveled. And we will do this question on notebook. Next question. Sid has a town plan map. Road A is 10 centimeter long, road B is 1 meter long, and road C is 15 centimeter long. He moves his toy car along road A, then road B, and stops at the end of road C. How far has Sid's toy car traveled in total? So you can see town play mat here. You can see these are roads. Here is cinema, fire station, swimming pool, bus station. This is road A. This is the road A. This is car park. Road B. This is road B. And this is road C. And this is the supermarket. So the Sid's toy car starts its journey from road A. Then it turns into road B. Then it turns towards the road C and stop it there. So we have to find out what is the total travel of Sid's toy car. So we have the lengths of road are given there. Road A is 10 centimeter, road B is 1 meter, and road C is 15 centimeter. Have you observed that road A and road C are in centimeters, but road B is in meters? So to solve this question, we can convert 1 meter into centimeters. So in that way, we can get all centimeters lengths and we can calculate them easily. Now take out your notebooks. On a new page, write day and date. On extreme left top, Thursday. In the center, classwork. On the extreme right top, 1st April, 2021. Then leave a line and write your topic length. And please underline the length with color pencil. Again, leave a line and write your learner's book, page number 54, and underline it, please. Then leave a line and write your question number 1. This question is from learner's book, page number 54. The bus travels. The bus travels from 9 o'clock until 12 o'clock. How long has it been traveling from when it stops? After writing the question, you will make a solution cloud and write solution and make a cloud with the color pencil. Then we will make 3 statements there. And we will get the statements from the question. So look at the first number present in the question. The first number is, yes, 9. So I'm going to underline the 9. 9. 9 is the first number present in the question. And what it represents? It is telling us the time when bus started its travel. So started its journey. So we will write first statement, bus started the journey is equal to 9 o'clock. Done. Now, the second number present in the question is 12. And what is 12? 12 is o'clock. And what it shows when bus has finished its journey or completed its journey. So we will write the second statement, bus completed the journey is equal to 12 o'clock. Please leave line when you will write on the new line. Now, we get 9 o'clock, we get 12 o'clock, and we have to find out what is the total distance traveled by bus. So, we will get the third statement from the third line, from the last line of the question, how long has it been traveled for when it stops? So, total time traveled by bus. This is our third statement, and we have to find it out. So, we have two numbers, 9 and 12, and what is the difference between these 9 and 12? How many numbers are between there? So we can do it by putting 9 in our mind and count on till 12 on our fingers. So I'm putting 9 in my mind. Now I'm counting on 10, 11, 12. So how many fingers I have counted? I have counted 3 fingers. It means there are 3 numbers between 9 and 12. So this means from 9 o'clock till 12 o'clock, we have 3 hours. So our answer is 3 hours. The bus total time traveled is 3 hours. Our total journey of bus is 3 hours. You will write in a proper way as I have done the work here and do it very neatly. Now the next question. Sid has a town play mat. Road A is 10 centimeter long, road B is 1 meter long and road C is 15 centimeter long. He moves his toy car along road A, then road B and stops at the end of road C. How far has Sid's toy car traveled in total? After writing the question, make a solution cloud. So first write solution, then make a cloud. And please write your question and leave line each time when you will start the new line. Now it's about Sid playmats, and Sid has a toy car. He moves his car from road A, toy car from road A to road B, then road C. So we will find out the statements first. What is the first number given in the question? That is 10. So what is 10? 10 is the length of road A. So I'm writing the first statement. I have written the first statement here. Length of road A is equal to 10 centimeter. Now check out the next number in the question. That is 1 meter. 1 meter is the next number present in the question. Now what is 1 meter? 1 meter is the length of road B. So second statement will be length of road B is equal to 1 meter. So we have to convert meter into centimeter. And as I told you before, it's very simple. We can just multiply the meter with 100 to get the centimeters. Or to convert meter into centimeters, we have to multiply meters with the 100. Now 1 meter, and we have to multiply 1 with 100. 1 multiplied by 100 is 100. So answer is 100 centimeter here. Now look at the third number present in the question. That is 15 centimeter. So what is 15 centimeter? It's the length of road C. So I'm writing here length of road C. I have written here, length of road C is equal to 15 centimeters. Now we have all 3 lengths here. So and what we have to find it out. We have to find it out How far has Sid's toy car traveled in total? What is the meaning of total? It's the key point in the question. And this tells us which method or calculation we will use here. Total means find the total. We have to add all the three numbers present in the question. So we have to add them. So it's an addition question. So we will write the addition statement, addition number sentence here. First we write the third statement. That will be total length is equal to, now we will add all three numbers with addition sign. This is one addition number sentence. 10 plus 100 plus 15 is equal to, now we will put the place value. I'm making a rough area here. Ones. Let me erase first here. Now I'm writing ones, tens, 100. So what is the first number? That is 10. So in 10, how many tens and how many ones? Yes, 0 ones and 1 10. Now, what is the second number here? 100. So how we write 100? We start from the ones. 0 ones, 0 tens and 100. Now, the third number is 15. And how many tens and ones in 15? 5 ones and 1 10. Now, I'm putting the addition sign. Now, we have to add it. In addition or subtraction, we always start from the smallest value. And which is the smallest value? Yes, ones is the smallest value. So we'll start from the ones. Now, how many ones? In first number 0, in the second number 0, in the third number 5. So 0 plus 0 plus 5. The answer is 5. 0 means nothing. So answer is 5. Now, we will add the next place value, that is tens. So in the first number there are 110. In the second number, is there in tens? No, there is no tens here. It's 0 here. In the third number, there is 110. So 110 plus 110, answer is 2 tens. So I'm writing 2 here. Now, in the third, now we will add the third place value, that is 100. So in first number, there is any 100? No. In second number, there is 100. In the third number, there is again no 100. So we have only 100 here and we will write 1 down. So our answer is 125. So the total length of these three roads is 125. Or you can put the place value on it also. 0, tens and 100. Let me write it neatly. Ones, tens and 100. This is the way. So you can make a rougher column at side if you want to. Or you can also count in tens. 110 and 110, 2 tens, and 100 is 1, 2 tens and 100. I can tell you that way also. Let me tell you how to count in tens. Biggest one is 100, just we put the 100 at side. Now we have 110 and 115. 1 tens, 1 10, 1 10, 100. So 10, 110 and 110. They are 2 tens, 20, and only 5 here. We add 20 and 5, answer is 25. Now in 25, here's 25. And we have only 100. 100 plus 25, 125. It's just a simple way. You can use both ways to count in tens, and you can make a rough work and make a proper sum at side and solve the question and get your answer. Now, this is our question for today. You will done the work on notebook. You should do the work on notebook and do it very neatly in a proper way. And I hope you have understood the topic properly. Now I'm moving towards our plenary. Here's a question. You can see a map here. School towards home towards library. The length of road or the travel from school to home is 400 meters, or the distance from school to home is 400 meters. And from home to library, the distance is 300 meters. So, question, what is the total distance covered by Sam as he traveled from school to home and then library? So, we have to find out the total travel or total distance covered by Sam from school to home, home to library, or from total school to library. So, from school to home, the distance is 400 meters. And from home to library is 300 meters. So, what we will do? We have to find the total. The key word is total. So, total distance covered. We have to add it. It's an addition question. We just add them. First, I am putting the place value here. ones, tens, hundred. We always start from the extreme right side. And the first value is ones. On the first digit, second digit is, we put the second value tens. On the third digit, we put the third value, that is hundreds. Now, we just add the ones in ones, tens in tens, and hundred in hundreds. So, ones in ones, we get 0. Now, tens in tens, 0 tens and 0 tens, we get 0. Now, 100, 400 and 300. 4, now count on 5, 6, 7, 7. So, total is 700 meter. The distance from covered by Sam is 700 meter from school to library in total. Now, if you want to make the statement, can you tell me which statements we can make? Yes, we can make the statements very easily. First, we will write the distance from school to home, 400 meter. Then we write the second statement, that is 300 meter. And according to that, we will write distance from home to library, 300 meter. And the third thing, what we are going to find out, we have to find out the total distance covered by Sam. So we write this statement also, total distance covered by Sam or total distance covered. Both are right. And then we write the addition sentence, 400 plus 300. In that way, you can write the addition sentence, 400 meter plus 300 meter. And total is 700 meter. So, in this way, you will do the work. And this is our printry. It's just the winding is just to recall all the topic we have done. And that's it for today. Inshallah, we'll meet in the next lesson. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.